Welcome to my crib. So the most awaited video of all time. You just wanted to see my place, so come on in. So this is the main door. This is where we enter from. And we have a closet just right here. So this closet is mainly used for hanging your coats and jackets, and also people keep their shoes. So what we've done is, since we don't have a lot of space here, so one closet is in the bedroom. So that's Saransh's closet there, and this one is mine. So I don't really want to show you how it is inside because honestly, it's an absolute mess right now. But okay. So this is my cupboard, and guys, I need to go to IKEA badly because I need to get storage for my closet. Right now, because of the COVID situation, they're not doing deliveries, so I have to go there and collect it myself. So that's my closet, and just when you enter, we have our kitchen on our right here. So this is the kitchen, guys. So this is where all the meals are prepared. So yeah, it's just the basic amenities that's provided in every condo. We have the fridge here, and this is the freezer. And what I really like about this fridge is this is a built-in fridge, guys, which is pretty cool. I love the fact that it's like all inside and you don't really feel it's a fridge. You just feel it's like a storage space, which is pretty cool. And here is our kitchen. This is my cute little toaster that I got this from Smeg, and we just have a small blender here. And guys, I actually need appliances. What do you think? What are like the top 3 appliances that you really need in your kitchen? So please comment down below and let me know, because I need to buy appliances and just make my life easier. So please comment down below and let me know. And guys, this is where I make all my meals. So you must have seen on my Instagram stories. So I keep sharing all my meals, stories and everything there. So if you've not followed me on Instagram, you need to follow me right now. Here's my Instagram handle. And yeah, that's about the kitchen, guys. And this is the induction top. Again, very basic, which you will find in all the condos pretty much. And we have quite a lot of storage, guys. There's one here. There's a little one here. And we also have a dishwasher here. Again, it's there in all the condos. So this is the dishwasher. And yeah, that's about it. That's about the kitchen. And we have this microwave oven. Everything is here. So yeah, all good. So if you guys see, there's a lot of storage here. But this last shelf, I don't know, why do they make it like so high? I cannot even like go there. It's like all empty. But yeah, it's still, you can keep something or whatever. But yeah, that's very difficult if you want to grab something from the last shelf. Anyways, so guys, this is a 1+ den unit. So let me show you how the den is. So just on my left, opposite to the kitchen, we have a den. Well, for a den, it's pretty small. It's kind of like a nook. Not really a den, but yeah, we still have some space, so I'm happy. And right now, this is all temporary. We just had this IKEA table before, if you've seen my last condo tour. We purchased this from IKEA, but I think we will get rid of this for sure because I really want to decorate this space and do something. So I'm still thinking about that. But yeah, this is temporary for now. So this is the nook, den, whatever you want to call. Okay guys, and now the living room. So if you've seen my furniture vlogs, you guys know how many stores I visited for that one couch. So it's time to show that masterpiece. So let's go to the living area. Guys, this is the couch that we finally got. I really love this couch. It's the perfect size for this area, for our living room. And yeah, it's pretty comfortable as well. So we just have a throw on it here. And we also got this rug. So we have this super nice rug as well. It kind of has that Moroccan feel to it. So I think we got the rug from West Elm and the couch was from Style Garage. You've already seen in the video. So if you haven't, you need to watch it. I'll put the link here. So this is the final couch that we have, guys. Very comfortable. All good, and I really love the fabric of it as well. It's really soft, and the cushions and everything, it's super comfy. So this is not an empty tour, guys. We still have something around, so it's not even fully done, not even a fully furnished condo tour, not even an empty tour. So we are somewhere in the middle right now. So we've ordered quite a lot of things, but because of the COVID situation, the deliveries are taking a lot of time. So we have ordered the coffee table. We are waiting for that. I think it should be here in a couple of days now. So we'll have a coffee table here, and we're also waiting for our accent chair and a lamp, so that's on its way. And yeah guys, since 6 months we did not have any TV. We have just been watching our shows on our MacBook, but now we have a TV. So okay Google, please turn on the TV.
Okay, turning Samsung TV on.
So this is the TV. Yeah, that's my video in the background. New room. So this place that I'm staying in is in Uluwatu. So guys, if you haven't watched my travel vlog, just go to my travel playlist and you will get all the videos there. And obviously because of the COVID situation, we cannot travel. So this is what we are living with, and I hope you enjoy the videos too. So yeah, this is the TV guys. So we were confused between getting 55-inch or a 65-inch TV. But we finally decided on 65 inches, and I think it's the perfect size for this space. And right now, as you guys see, this TV is on the floor. I don't like that, but yeah, we're just again waiting for the media console. We have ordered it, but we have still not received it, so it should be there in a couple of days. So guys, this is the living room, and this is the kitchen that we've already seen, and the tiny little den there. And for this space guys, we are planning to get like a island or like a high dining table and 2 counter stools as well, or chairs, whatever. So we still need to order that, but for now this is what it is. And also guys, I'll give you all the details about the rent and everything later in the video, but yeah, first let's check out the room. So this is our room right here, and the washroom is that side. So first let's check out the bedroom. So guys, this is my bedroom, so I'm letting you into my private space. So you are like my family now, so yeah, you can come in. So this is my bedroom guys. It's the same IKEA bed that you have seen in my last condo tour as well. So this is the same IKEA bed we have, again the same side tables. And the best part about this room guys, let me show you. So we have an entire glass window here guys, which is so cool because you get so much light inside the room, which I really love. And oh my god, like look at the sun right there. Sun-kissed, you can just be sun-kissed in your room, perfect. And if you see here, we also have a glass window here too. From here you can actually see our balcony, which is pretty cool again. So we have this amazing view here. Well, nothing special as of now in the room because I still need to decorate and everything. So right now we just have basic stuff. But yeah, this is the bedroom. On the other side of the room, we have another closet here. So this is Saransh's closet. So I've been very nice to give Saransh this closet in the room. I've taken the one that's outside. So yeah, I'm really sweet guys. You should know that. But yeah, this is Saransh's cupboard, which is
you've given me that closet because you want a big mirror outside. That's why.
But still, Saransh, come on. You gotta appreciate, man.
My closet is pretty organized.
Yeah, Saransh is very organized as compared to me. So this is very clean, guys. So this is one closet here. And yeah, you've seen the side table, the same IKEA bed, which is still going very strong. We have just assembled it in the when we were moving. And we assembled it again, but I don't see any problem right now. So I think beds from IKEA are pretty good. And just the last few more spaces guys. So we have a washroom here. So yeah, we have a bathtub here. And this shower curtain was already there, which I don't like, so I need to change this. So excuse this curtain for now. So yeah, this is my mirror selfie spot. That's where I take my pictures sometimes. This is the washroom. I don't know what else to really show you here. But one thing guys I really like about this washroom is that we have some storage space here, which is perfect. So you can have everything organized and everything is hidden. So that's the best part. And yeah, this is the washroom. And just next to the washroom, guys, we have a washer and dryer. So that's the washer, that's the dryer. Pretty standard in all the condos. So guys, that's about it. And one last thing, we have to go outside and check out the view. So let's go. So this is where our balcony is. So Google, what's the temperature right now?
The current temperature in Toronto is 29 degrees. There is currently a heat warning in effect.
So there's actually a heat warning in effect with 29 degrees. Oh my god. We Indians, we can really survive this heat wave that's in Canada. For us, it's pretty cool. So let's go into the heat wave. Oh, this is our balcony. Oh my god, it is actually hot. So we don't really have a patio furniture right now. We need to even order that. We just have these folding chairs from IKEA as of now. But yeah. Okay, so this is the view, guys. I'm sure you have seen this view in all my Instagram stories. So that's the lake there, guys. So yeah, I don't know if you can see, it's too bright outside, but yeah, that's the lake there. And yeah, that's what the view is. It has a nice view, pretty decent. We get the sunset here. We are facing west, so we get sunset here, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I think let's just go inside. It is hot. So guys, hope you liked the condo tour. And now the details. So we are staying in downtown Toronto. And in downtown, guys, the condos are tiny. So this is like a brand new condo. Nobody has ever lived in this. This is a brand new building, and that's what we really wanted, because everything is like fresh and new. So all the brand new condos, they are tiny. This condo is around 550 square feet, and so this is 1 plus 10, which whatever you call it. So it's a 1 plus 10, and I'm sure you must be curious about the rent. So we are paying $2,000 Canadian dollars for this condo unit, plus utilities. So utilities include your water, hydro, which is electricity, and your internet. So that's separate. So we pay $2,000 plus utilities. So utilities come out around $200. So that was the bill for last month. So that's how we know. And guys, we also have a locker. I think that's the best thing, because when you have a locker, you can keep all your big bags, luggage bags and everything, extra items in the locker, which is in the basement. And in case you don't get a locker, so you can always rent out for about $50 to $70. And we don't have a parking with this condo unit, and it wasn't even required, so we are good with that. So the last place that we were staying in, that was also in downtown, but we were sharing it with another person. So if you have not seen that condo tour, you can see that as well. But that was like a 2-bedroom, but now this is 1 bedroom, and all this space is ours, which is pretty nice. And yeah, the expenses are high. I totally agree. We really want to live in downtown. We are young. We want to be in the hustle bustle of the city. So yeah, we're staying here, and yeah, this is all about it, guys. So this was the most awaited video. Oh my god, so many of you have requested this condo tour. And guys, this is it, and this is my home. This is my new happy place, and I still need to decorate it and everything. So once that's fully done, I'll make another condo tour with everything in place. So guys, let me know if you know any stores, like if I can check that out. I know I have explored a lot of stores, but still, if I have missed any, or if you know of any good stores, I would really love to know. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the condo tour. And guys, you know the drill. What you need to do, you need to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's reach 50k soon. So in case you have missed my channel name is Peekapoo, and I make vlogs about fashion, lifestyle and travel. And that's about it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye. guys, this is how it looks in the night.